welcome to the final Jurassic Park 30th anniversary LEGO set stream. It is the Visitor Center, T-Rex and Raptor Attack. Also the correct way to spell center. Appreciate that, LEGO. Yes, the final one. We're just itching to get it open. One thing before we start. Looks like those two T-Rexes are shouting at each other. Anyway, have a quick look at the back of the box. Beautiful images, I'm sure you'll agree. Nice skeleton in the back there. More things to do and play and build and... oh, there's such excitement. And the kitchen as well. And T-Rex with a banner draped over his head. Lovely. Oh dear. Oh, flying. Well, there's a few bags there. So many bags. Tactile panels. And paper bags. As we have discovered in this range, paper bags means dinosaurs. That is a Velociraptor. So let's get this one smacked together. You know, people complain about the paleontological inaccuracies of the Jurassic Park films. And I'm here to tell you, look, if you're going to complain about the paleontological inaccuracies of a film when you know, they're brought back to life in the first place, well, you know, I'm not saying you're in for a bad time, but just got to get your head in the game. I think you all can agree that this is Rexcellent. She's going to go there for the rest of the stream. Nice cardboard sleeve for the instructions. Lovely. Ooh, we've got stickers. Lovely. Sticky stickers. And then we've got this nice little dealie. This is of course the banner, but it's nice soft. It's that kind of soft plastic that they sometimes use. It's very nice. Ooh, flowy and yes. Anyway, right. Stay cracking. Bag one. Piece separator, naturally. This is a real pain, because it's a pane of glass. Anyway. Just have to frame yourself. And we have the first minifigure done already. The hatless Dr. Grant. Nice. I believe these pants are a darker colour than his usual ones to indicate, you know, running through the park for his life and all that stuff. And like, yeah, good detail. Good, no, nicely done, nicely done. I see what you did there. Tell you what, This is adorable. There we go. That front is locked in solid now. Open the doors without any worries. Ooh, we're doing some interior stuff. This is where we do some interior design. Guess what, everyone? It's time for sticker number 1. Now these are transparent stickers. Well, translucent. So I'm going to try and hold them in a place where not much can get through. But, you know, it's supposed to be translucent, should I say. Yeah, not too bad. I'm happy with that. Sticker number 2. Funnily enough, Parasaurolophus is one of the only dinosaurs from all the films, actually, that we haven't actually got in LEGO. Very curious. Yes, that is straight. Ooh, got some structure happening. It's all happening. Oh no, it's all collapsing as well. Right, there we go. Helps if I put the other pillar in place to sort of offset that. That would help, wouldn't it? Doy. I wondered what this propeller was for, and I was like, but is that not for like a ceiling fan or something? Turns out it is, and it tells you to make the ceiling fan as such, and then tells you to put it on the underside of the thing, underside of one of these panels, and then put the panel on there, and then okay, I have to work out. I think it's this one it wants me to do. Yeah, looks about right. So you do it like that first, and then you turn it upside down, and then stick it in here, and there you go. Ceiling fan. We're on to bag 2 already. And there we go, there's Lex, with her 2 faces as usual. There we go. Don't forget, she's a hacker. And there's Timmy. And I think this is the same hairpiece that was introduced for Emmett in the LEGO movie. Nice. Alright, I want to show of hands who thinks Tim and Lex should have showed up in Dominion somewhere. Because I think they should have done. Could have just been a cameo, or, you know. Aha! It is Froggy time! The last in the instalment of all the hidden frogs. And this one looks like it's a cake topper. Will you please focus? There we go. A table full of delicious delicacies, including a frog-topped cake, whatever those things are, and some candles? Maybe? Oh well. If it's edible, it's good. Connecting one side to another. Lovely. Time for some more interior decoration. Time for some more plants. These look a bit like aloes. Aloe vera, how are you? Ah, stuff that looks like flame-bearing torches. Very cool. Ah, not too bad, is it? Taking shape. Oops. Problem is, it's an awkward shape, so it's not very easy to set back down. Ah, connects the tops with each other. And there we go. It is locked. Immovable. More delicious treats. And of course, the iconic wibbly wobbly jelly. Where's Anakin Skywalker? We can tell him to take a seat. Bag 3 already. This is the midway bag. So once we've got through this bag, we'll be half done. And there we go, Dr. Henry Wu, as he appears in Jurassic Park. We have the two faces as well. The sneery, I'm Dr. Wu and I'm brilliant face, and nothing can match my genetic superiority. And which sounds a bit eugenics, but never mind. And then there's the happy, welcome, and do enjoy my work. You know, so it's all about him, obviously. Oh, and it's the sticker time. Stickery, stickery, stickery. There we go. Time for Mr. DNA. Bingo. Eggs. Lovely, tasty eggs. And now we can make a baby dinosaur. And there we go. That's the little robotic arm that turns the eggs. Yet again, another thing that Mattel could have done themselves as well. But no. Yeah, with that Doctor Wu set, he could have had that robotic arm and it would have been amazing. It's still a good set. It just felt like it needed a little extra something. And a lamp. Quite enlightening, wouldn't you say? Quite illuminating as well, if the bloody focus works. Oh hey, anyone want to feel old? I remember when computers looked like this. There we go. Nice computer monitor there. How times have changed. Oh, and I just realised this little structure I built next to it. That's the computer tower. Check this out. A 2x1 plate. It's got a keyboard. It's so tiny. A tiny keyboard. I like a good chunky keyboard. One that gives you some tactile feedback whilst you're typing. Makes you feel like you're actually physically putting your data into the computer. One of those. And fossilized amber with the mosquito inside. Very cool. And there we go. Nice little microscope. With a section of amber being studied for science. There we go, good old lab desk. There we go. Wu's lab. More or less done. Smush it down so you know it's in place. That's what I like to do. I like to make sure Lego pieces can go no further. So I absolutely have to smush them. Smash! Alright. So get one there. And there we are, the 8 pillars. Now we've got some plants to plant. I do like how this and the Brachiosaur set, that with the nature things that they've done, they've made some symmetry in them, which, you know, initially gives the impression of nature, but then you start to realise, oh wait, it's a little bit constructed, a little bit artificial, which is kind of what Jurassic Park is. And it's like, I see what you're doing there. I see. I get it. Very nice. Time for bag 4. So we've gone past the halfway point, in theory anyway. What I think I need to do, actually, is... Right, bear with, one moment. I need to swap all this around. Right. Looking a bit more organised. This is where you sneeze and it all goes all over the floor. There we go, Samuel L. Jackson. With a worried face. And then with a, oh hey, no worries, I'm Samuel L. Jackson. Fun fact, Samuel L. Jackson is one of the few guys who've had the honour of having multiple LEGO minifigures made of him through the various characters he's played. So we've had this, we've had Nick Fury, we've had Mace Windu, at the very least. There's probably more than missing. Frozone, that's another one. That's what happens when you're in a lot of stuff. You eventually get lots of minifigures made of you. One of the first stars who got multiple characters turned into minifigures was Harrison Ford, because of Indiana Jones and Han Solo. Getting some big roof pieces happening. Oh dear, crash. And another one. I think these were the pieces that were originally used for like flying saucer stuff. And I think some of the bigger ones like this used to be used for like the first Millennium Falcon kit, if I remember right. Close up of what's been going on back there. Nice. See, I've made the decision, like, it's showing you to work on it from the other side, but I'm working on it from this side. Call it a challenge. I split the circle. The next thing to do is to hang this up. And that's 2. Okay. When dinosaurs ruled the earth. Lovely. Now this banner is cool. However, you and I know that in the actual film it's hung the other way around. But it's fine because it's part of an action feature. It's supposed to represent the banner being there, blah blah blah. Because, you know, you turn it around to do it like a playset and all that stuff, so it's fine. But we know it's not supposed to be that way. And now, the final bag. Okay, move it like that. Because this is mostly for the finishing details and the skeleton. Our final Ellie Sattler figure. So got her with a worried face there, and then cool face there. And I've just realised that Ellie Sattler is represented in 4 out of 5 of all these 30th anniversary sets. How cool is that? she's there in nearly every single one of them. That's brilliant. See, woman does inherit the earth. It is once again sticker time. There we go. That's one. Cool T-Rex fossil. I always managed to get it on the first try on the second one, don't I? But there we go. Okay, we've got some long boys. Usually it's worrying to get finger marks on the transparent stickers. But, because these are supposed to be fossils or fossil adjacent sculptures, it actually adds to it, if anything. Because usually it's when you have transparent stickers and you put them on something like a black piece or a transparent piece, like the flux capacitor, that's when you can run into some problems because it looks horrible if it's picked up all the dust and stuff from your finger. It don't look good. Oh, one more tiny sticker to go. But not at the moment. There we go. Pillars for the door frame and nice transparent blue bricks, which I think are either supposed to represent the water or the or another set of lights. There we go. Smush them on. Alright, we can finally put the visitor centre to one side, because now we are working on the skeleton. Ugh, get these instructions back on the table. Here we go, the last sticker. There we go. T-Rex. As if we didn't know. Just the ribs, so they don't look completely pinched. That's not looking too bad for a posture. Right. Oh no. There we go, you stay there. I like what they've done here to represent the two clawed hands. There's the skull for the skeleton. Okay, let's get Dr. Wu in here so you can supervise how correct these animals are supposed to be, which I suppose is fair enough. I mean, can't make a few omelettes without breaking some dinosaur eggs, but it's all about experimentation. And if you can't experiment, well, go and ask what the point is. So especially with a Velociraptor. Right. It's done. The whole thing is done. Okay. That was the Visitor Centre T-Rex and Raptor Attack. The finale of the 30th anniversary Jurassic Park range from LEGO. Let's, we've seen these characters before. Let's get a look at the Visitor Centre itself. Just before we go. It's amazing detail. Nicely replicated from the film itself. And you open the doors and it's g'day, g'day, g'day now. The most advanced park in the entire world. Filled with biological attractions so astounding they'll capture the imagination of the entire planet. And there we go. Multi-layered playset, which is always very welcome. Got Woo's lab with the eggs and Mr. DNA back there and the Parasaur image, the amber. Lots of lovely details. When dinosaurs ruled the earth. And then the dining area with the Raptor mural, all kinds of lovely and tasty food. The hidden frog there, and the ceiling fan, because of course, and of course the iconic green jelly, wibbly wobbly. Oh, catching the T-Rex is still. So there we are. It's a substantial set. I would say this box art is a little bit cheeky because it does imply you get the base with the steps and the waterfall as well. A little bit naughty. Otherwise, yes. That's the review. Is a yes. So let's see if we can do the thing. See this? There's a mechanism here that you can adjust, and this pops out and it makes the banner fall. So we want to try and get the T-Rex in its iconic finishing roar. So it's not the easiest to do because it's only Lego, remember. And then you can't, it wants to go up in front of it, doesn't it? There we go. Right, so it's kind of falling. Make you stand up a bit more. There we go. Ah, that's not looking too bad. Okay, so where did she throw the raptor? She threw it whichever way. Well, whatever way it was, it's got to land on the skeleton, hasn't it? So it's like, and then, blah, I am dead. Oh no, it was over here, wasn't it? Oh, you know what? Who cares? Details. There we go. Final finishing shot. Actually, we'll really twist the raptor's stuff to make it look like, oh, that's a visit to the hospital. That's not going to go successfully. So there we are. There's your final shot for the evening. I think we'll agree that is a very good final shot. So, yeah, that will do it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. Be Ross and T-cells and each other. Always wash your dang hands, of course. Especially with Lego. And, yeah, see you whenever. Bye!